How to fix high CPU usage on Windows 11. 1. Terminate unused apps with Task Manager. 2. Disable or quit some background apps. 3. Restore the power plan to default settings. 4. Disable the Superfetch service. 5. Disable Cortana. From running at login. 6. Complete any process of downloading or installing Windows updates. 7. Check power cable or power supply. 8. Run a full malware scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 9. Leave the preview program or dev builds of Windows 11. 10. System Restore on Windows.